Tractor man here. Got a few more tractors over the winter. Let's hope this summer I get to some of these tractors because they're really starting to pile up. Okay, this one I believe is mid-70s Sears Craftsman. She's an oldie. Look at the patina on this thing. I don't know, early 70s even. Looks like one of the cheaper models to me. Looks a little fairly lightweight. Looks pretty small. Look at these fenders. Shit. Fenders like that, that could be early 60s. Even a little brace on the inside, look at that. Yeah, I'm sure the key switch will be all messed up. It actually doesn't feel too bad. Probably because the old stuff had more quality parts in it. It's just, it gets so old and so worn out. Let's see what she has for a transaxle. Ooh, I'm not used to that type. I've not worked on any that are round like that. Wow, the axles do look beefy. There's a tag here. What does it say? It is a Peerless. Yeah, I'm not familiar with this one at all. 4,000 to 48.51. What? It's got at least twice the size of brake on it than all the ones I've worked on. And like other Craftsmans I've worked on, it's got a massive rear end pulley. That thing is huge. Gives you more power, I guess. Safety seat. Engine will stop if operator leaves seat. What? On something this old? No way. It's got like a spring, like the old John Deere tractors actually. It's kind of crazy. Extra traction Goodyear tires. Some massive cracks, but I'll probably just throw tubes in them. I've never had them blow out the sides when they're cracked like that yet. When I put tubes in them, I say it's a cheaper model Craftsman. Actually, because it's this what do they call it? Formed. It's not like the newer Craftsman's tractors. I don't know if the new ones are like this, but they have like an angle iron frame on them. This might be the same thickness though. Pressed. Yeah, that's a pretty old one. 8 horse, 36 inch. It would be nice to get a little bit smaller cut one and go around all the small trees in the yard. It's not very fun walking a push mower around to do that. Oh, look at that! Awesome! The other headlight is there. Cool. Let's see, it looks like, ooh. Oh, it looked like someone welded that almost. It's just a chunk of rust, couple chunks of rust that were so. That looks like the standard 3/4 inch axles, like the 80s Craftsmans. Looks like there's stuff packed inside like the mice usually do. Oh wow, look at the heat sink on this. What is that? That the solenoid? Wow. Look at this gear. Look at the beefiness of that gear. The steering gear. Some of the Craftsman tractors, that strangely wears out. And I think most of them have those really beefy gears on them. I don't know, my Noma Dynamark has a chintzier one than that. It's kind of a weak point of that tractor. I've never had that fail on the tractor. It's just gotten looser over time. But I am hard on that tractor. One thing I'm not looking forward to. Just like new. Look at that. Free pine cone. Have a pine cone. So I will try and eat it too. It is nice when they put the batteries up here. It seems like a lot of older tractors, they put the batteries in front of the steering wheel. That's so much easier access. Yeah, she needs some work. Kind of reminds me of that Christine the Car movie. It looks like it used to be red too. It looks brown now, but I bet it used to be a red, orange, red. Let's see, reverse, neutral, one. Looks like a 3-speed transmission. Ooh, tight gears. Feels like it's all there though. Way tighter than my gears. What? Look at this thing. Has a lighter on it even. A lawnmower with a lighter? That's insanity. She's quality. New cars don't even have lighters anymore, I don't think. I guess they all have the power ports, so same thing basically. Yeah, I believe this is a Tecumseh engine, and oh no. Well, that's the governor. That'll probably be okay. It doesn't look like no one messed with it. It's just unhooked. That can be a heck of a deal if you get into an engine with someone that's messed with the governor. Yep. Packed full of most stuff as they usually are. Still turns over, so that's what matters. But I believe this is a Tecumseh, and I'm not a fan of Tecumsehs. I don't think I have one Tecumseh in the yard. But oh, look at that. Huh. But that was a mud weevil or whatever they call them. He sealed it off for me. What a nice guy. Oh, I see more of the wildlife. Can you see it? Creeper. A creeper. We see you. He is hiding good though. Shy. Anyways, yeah, this doesn't have a carburetor, and it's been sitting outside in a junkyard for a couple of years, I guess. That's where I got it. I probably shouldn't have taken another tractor on, but yeah, it's got the press frame construction. Front axle is not cast iron or anything, but she looks pretty stout. Feels pretty tight, surprisingly. So yeah, I don't know, it's early 70s, mid 70s, my guess. She could be mean. She could be fixed. She could be really fixed. I don't know. If anyone has comments about it, I looked a little bit online. I think I could only find like one picture of these. Looks like it used to be white and red, probably gray and red. Even amp meters. Like none of the cheaper mowers nowadays have amp meters, I don't think. Oh shoot, yeah, it doesn't have a gas tank either, so battery, gas tank. Does have starter. She needs work, but could be fixed. Anyways, leave comments, I guess. Help me get started on this one. What you guys think? Oh, the pulley system underneath here actually looks a little bit similar to the Dynamark. So I wonder if this is made by Noma, the frame on this one, like the Dynamarks, or AMF. AMF, I believe, made a lot of them too. Or the company before Noma, or I'm not sure. Oh. The oil spigot was a little loose. I don't see much oil in there. So I'm guessing someone had carb problems like they always do with these tractors and took it off. Probably had it in the garage, ended up throwing it away, or someone cleaned out the garage. And anyways, new tractor in the Hoard.